this COVID-19 thing has pretty much had me bored out of my skull. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a good margarita, or actually in my case it's a great margarita because it's me. So what you do is you want to get your tequila. Any type of tequila will do. You don't want to use an expensive one because you don't want to ruin a good tequila in a margarita. All right, so what you do is, if you have a pourer, you count to about 7, or fill about, I don't know, a third of the way. So I'm going to make 2. And then what you do is, I like to use Cointreau. Triple sec is good. I like Cointreau. I know, a little expensive, but it does make it taste better, not as harsh. So you make sure you bring it up to about the halfway mark when you fill that up with the Cointreau. And you add a little bit of dash of Rose's lime juice. You get your simple syrup. Maybe like 2 circles around the glass. Alright, so now you have the sweet and sour mix. What you do is you want to fill it up almost to the top. The reason I say almost to the top is because what I'm going to do is I'm going to rim the glass with some salt. So you don't want to fill it up, and when you shake it, there's going to be a little bit of foam that's going to touch the salt. You don't need anything fancy. You don't need a whole cocktail mix maker, cocktail shaker, anything like that. You can use just a regular little plastic glass over the top, turn it over, shake it up like that. Now the liquid is going to help you put the salt on the top. And look at that. Perfect right to the top, not ruining the salt at all. I hope everybody's being safe, washing their hands, doing your social distancing, 6 feet apart. Hope everybody's got the toilet paper that they need. It's a strange time to be going through right now, but anyway, after this, I'm sure we'll all have parties that we survived COVID-19 of 2020. So there's your perfect margarita. Oh yeah, that's good. All right, folks, be safe, be healthy, wash your hands. Thank you, and good night.